Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file and importing the picture so you can work non-destructively. Open Ibispaint X, create a canvas or pick Import Photo, and place the photo as a base layer. Once done, add a new transparent layer above for tracing or painting. This keeps the original intact. Make sure canvas size, DPI, and orientation match your needs so brushes and transforms behave predictably. You're now ready to position and scale the image before detailed edits. Next, position and secure the picture so your workflow is clean and efficient. Use Transform to scale and rotate the imported image, and use Navigator to check 16:9 composition or close crops. Lock the photo layer to avoid accidental changes, then create a clipping group or reference layer for color grabs. Use the ruler, symmetry, and grid options to align major elements. If you plan to redraw, lower opacity to 1/2 so you can trace on the top layer with confidence. Finish by preparing the picture for output and resolving common issues. When you're happy, export as PNG or JPEG at the target resolution, or save the project file to preserve layers. If you must deliver a single image, merge visible layers onto a copy and export to avoid losing originals. If the picture doesn't appear, make sure the photo layer is visible and unlocked, confirm Ibispaint has storage permissions, and restart the app. That usually restores imported images immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.